Good afternoon, good evening, or good morning for all of you around the world. This is Dave with YouTube. How's everybody doing? Hope you're doing well. And we'll start out this segment and then just after these messages. Good afternoon. How's everybody doing? This wonderful Sunday afternoon. We are at May the 10th. What would May the 10th represent for everybody around the world? Or mostly around the world. In the United States and in Mexico, I think. I think maybe even in Mexico. May the 10th represents Mother's Day. So, I want to wish my mom a happy Mother's Day. And all the mothers around the world, happy Mother's Day. To all of you around the world that's a mother. I know a lot of mothers here, a lot of people, friends. But I want to send a special wish to my mother, who's been with me ever since I was born. She's always been there, and she's always been there when I needed something, or if I was sick. Even after my divorce, that I wasn't so used to living by myself, I would get sick, and I couldn't take care of myself. I feel that I was dying. But the moment my mom found out about it, she rushed over there and she took care of me. Even as an adult, my mom was still there to take care of me. Of course, there was some times that my sickness got pretty serious, so I drove myself to the hospital. But the majority of the time, my mom was there. Even if I was at the hospital, my mom was there within hours after finding out. Trying to get as close as I can to the camera because the wind is not helping at all. Unfortunately, it's been windy every day that I've been using the camera. Now, I can use the GoPro Hero 8 with the microphone, but the problem that I have with the Hero 8 is that I cannot center myself to the center screen. It doesn't have a selfie like the DJI Osmo Action or the GoPro Max, which is the one we're talking about right now. Anyways, jumping off the camera theory, or camera topic, I'm sorry. I've got several brothers and sisters. They're all married already. They have their own kids. My kids are all married already, so I wish to wish my own kids, my female kids, happy Mother's Day. My aunts, happy Mother's Day to all my aunts, to all my girl cousins. By now they're all married. I don't think I even know of a single cousin that might be single, still single. No, I don't. They're all married. They all have their own kids. And I wish a happy Mother's Day to my cousin's kids that are females that are already married also. Happy Mother's Day. I want to give a special shout out to Kelly Mendez. She's from Aldama, Mexico. I have no idea what state is that, but she's in Mexico, somewhere in Mexico, in Aldama. She is a mother of two, a little boy and a little girl. They're still pretty young, but happy Mother's Day, Kelly. May you survive many Mother's Days also. Another special shout out is to Evelyn Barrows. another person that I know of that I'm very fond of. She lives in the area of Leyte, in the Philippines, somewhere in the area of Leyte. She's got 2 kids also, wonderful kids. So happy Mother's Day, Edelyn. Happy Mother's Day to okay, wait a minute. I already mentioned my mom and my kids and my cousins and my aunts. That pretty much covers everybody, especially even if I don't know you and you're a mother, you're a very special person for staying up and putting up with us kids while we grew up. Oh my gosh, my mom put up with me. I have no idea how she had so much patience. I guess it's a special woman to be a mother, to put up with so much patience from a child. You know, from ever since that we're born, you know what? It's mom's turn to change the diaper. It's mom's turn to feed the baby. It's mom's turn to do this. Mom's turn to. She's the one that's up all night when the child is sick. She's the one that's she's the one that bathes you. She's the one that takes care of everything of your needs, all your needs as a child. She's the one that drops you off at the school the first day that you get to school. She's there. And even though you're crying and you want to be with your mom, you end up going to school. And you still end up crying and you want to be with your mom even on the second day of school. But by the third day of school, you kind of start to forget, you know, that your mom's still going to be there when you get home. You start enjoying yourself in school now. You know, you start getting into the school curriculum. And that's how you grow up, you know, and then it's very hard because for a mother, when you grow up and your kids are teenagers and, oh, mom, you know, I like this boy in school, blah, blah, blah. He's taking me to the school dance. You know, it's usually the parents that are pretty worried that their child is going to go out with a boy for the very first time in their lives, but it's really the mother. Usually a daughter and her mother are very, very, very close. They're very, very attached. Some kids, some sons and their mothers are attached also. I was very attached to my father, but he passed away many years ago. So, anyways, my theme today was for Mother's Day. It's Sunday, so we're not working today. It's watermelon season here at work, but we're not working today. So, other than that, you all be safe out there. If you all live in a country that the coronavirus follows the state, local, and federal laws, and yes, I do need a shave. Oh my gosh, I'll shave tonight. I want to wish everybody to be safe. And again, happy Mother's Day to all the mothers in the world, especially my mother, which is the best one of all. And God be blessing you and continue to bless you for as long as you run and live under the words of God.